Visualize. Visualize yourself doing the habit. What happened with all of us, as I have said few minutes ago, we have been trained by our parents, or we have been taught by our parents that we are the slave of our habits. We can't develop new habits. We can't generate new habits. We can't offer new habits. And that was the biggest mistake that we have done with our subconscious mind. Now our subconscious mind has accepted this affirmation that we can't do anything. You have to break this. What you have to see before sleeping, just visualize yourself. For example, I have to build a good physique. I have to build a good personality. Now I have to visualize, okay, Rana is waking up. He is going to the gym. He is just lifting those dumbbells. He is having the pain. Visualize yourself doing that habit. For anyone has to read the book. Now visualize yourself, okay, tomorrow I am waking up, okay, and I am just opening the chapter. Which chapter? Power of subconscious mind. Okay, page number 9. I am reading. After reading, how am I feeling? Visualize yourself. Give a visual treat to your brain that you are performing the same habit. If it happens with actors, stars, what director producer says to them? You have to play this role. You have to play the role of Sultan Mirza. You have to play the role of Alauddin Khilji. Visualize yourself in the mirror that you are Alauddin Khilji. What will be your decor? And they start presenting themselves as the respective characters. In the same way, if you want to develop the habit, you have to visualize yourself. You have to visualize that you are performing the same thing. You are performing the same habit. That is the first step for going ahead in the habit. Secondly, after visualization, affirm yourself. It is very important. Affirm yourself that yes, you are capable enough to do. Yes, you have all the abilities to keep the habit of successful people because you deserve to be successful. Say to yourself, you are a human being and every human being has the right to keep all the great virtues in himself or herself, and you are one of them. Affirm yourself in the night, okay, what happened that I have not opted for any good habit yet till today? Okay, if I am 19 years old and I have not gone through success, okay, but tomorrow I will be. Tomorrow I will perform the same habit. Tomorrow I will wake up early. Tomorrow I will go to the gym. Tomorrow I will read the book. Then I will open my eyes. I will read the book. Affirm yourself. Don't say that I am a slave of my habit. I can't develop my habit. I have not developed habit. Remove that not and say, yes, I am capable enough to develop habit. I have not developed because I didn't want to develop. But today I want to develop. I can develop. Say to yourself before sleeping. Say that yes, I am capable enough. I am a human being. I am a man. I can do this. And tomorrow I will prove this. Affirmation. Don't affirm your brain. Never say no to your brain. Don't stop your brain. You can't. You have not done. You can't. You have not done. You are slave. You can't. Your company is wrong. Don't command negative to your subconscious because your subconscious accept everything whatever you say to it. So don't say negative because subconscious does not know the difference between negative or positive. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Getting my point?
Yes,
so
sir.
affirmation is very, very important. Say to others. Yes, it plays a very vital role. Whatever habit you want to develop, say to others. As I have said to you, I want to develop a habit of reading books. Now I am a trainer. I am a role model for many people. If I am truly a role model or if I feel myself as a good personality, I have to perform. Otherwise, after a few months, what you will say? Rana sir only speaks. He doesn't do it. He is a good human being, but he is not a man of words. And if I am genuine towards me, I have to perform the habit. So always say to others, as we have said that okay, in this year we will focus on our health. Okay, Priyanshi, I will guide you on the health. Now I have promised to Priyanshi to guide her on the health. Until unless I am guiding myself on health, how can I guide her? So always commit to the people. Say in public that I want to develop this habit. I am developing this habit. I need this habit. Whenever you are telling to the people, automatically your subconscious brain alarms you that you have promised somebody. For example, you have promised a person to meet on Sunday. Now it comes in your brain that I have to go to Sunday to meet him. Yes or no?
Yes.
It happens or not? As I made the banner or I published the banner last week that I have to deliver my session on how to develop successful habit. There are so many people who have not come today, but I have come because I have an alarm in my brain that I have invited people on such topic.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes.
So always say to the people, say to others, what habit you are going to develop in yourself. Next. If you fall short, don't stop. Yeah. If you fall short, don't stop. It means, suppose that you started to develop a habit of going to gym or reading a book, and for 10 days you were on the mark, but suddenly because of some occasion, some external factors, you are not able to continue from 11th day until 15th day, you have not done that habit. Okay. Don't stop. Repeat from again 16th day. Again make a new record of 11 days or 12 days. That means never ever stop on the habit until you develop that habit. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
If you fall short, in case, because it happens with every one of us, suddenly some situation come in the family, any kind of situation come, suddenly your near and dear ones get ill, or you have to visit the hospital or somewhere and your routine disturbs. It doesn't mean that you have to stop there. It doesn't mean that you have to quit your habit. Again, restart, reprogram, or readjust yourself. Don't give up. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Next and the last, reward yourself. After accomplishing everything, after accomplishing the steps of a habit, reward yourself. Whatever you can reward yourself, you can give the treat to your own self, to your own body after accomplishing of that habit. Make some small checkpoints. Checkpoints means make the habit of 7 days. For example, you make a habit of that I will read the book for 7 days. First. And after completing the 7 days process, reward yourself. Give anything to yourself. If you like ice cream, chocolates, whatever, give reward to yourself. And celebrate. Don't only reward, celebrate that, okay, I have taken an oath of reading 7 days book, I have completed, and now I am on the mission. Because whenever you reward yourself, your subconscious is watching that this gentleman is happy, and everyone wants happiness. Everyone wants the peace, and that peace is there in your brain. So these are the steps by which you can literally keep every habit, whatever you want in your life. First, identify the habits. Second, take a single habit at one time. Try to take a single habit one time. Make an action plan. Take baby steps. Anchor your habit with the past good habits. Visualize yourself doing the habit. Affirm yourself in positive manner that yes, you have the ability and capability to perform each and every successful habit in your life. Say to others whatever you want to achieve in life. If you fall short, don't stop, don't quit. Repeat again. I'll tell you the cycle that how you can do so and reward yourself after every checkpoint.